Good morning, guys. Look at the view. Oh my God! Today I visit in Bahrain, seaside. I'm sorry, too much cold. I didn't expect the plane to be happening alone. You see that? Oh my God! Oh my God! Come and visit Bahrain and you enjoy the weather of Bahrain. I can show you the birds also. You see, there's the birds. They're flying. They're catching the fish. My God, you people love it and enjoy with me. It's really much cold, people. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe so I can show you the view. I'm in different places of Bahrain also. I'm going to post it in a few days. I'm going to different places nowadays, so I can post for you again. New video and with me especially. Oh my God, it's really much cold. And people love it. You love it after that. You will love me after that. Also, when you enjoy the weather of Bahrain, you see that? Oh my God. Oh, there's a public toilet also. They made it. Yeah. This is the news. It's closed right now. This is where the see the birds. How they fly. Oh my God. You see, it's really cold. It's really cold, baby. Enjoy. You enjoy. I'll show you the horse they're riding later on when the weather was okay, because this time even the sun is outside, but very much cold. You cannot stand up. Because I have to make a video, that's why I sacrifice myself. Oh my God, I come for you to make a video. The birds. Nobody in the ground. You see that? Oh, there is a people. You see? Blue cars. Oh my God. Cars here. You see? Like this. I just arranged it today. I bring the boats. My friends are coming on the way. Then we ride it. I will show you. My God. One from Bahrain. One from Saudi Arabia. My God, my people here. Have you see? We are planning to ride the boats later, people. Have you see? There is some people, they have a picnic, I think so. My God, you can see it. Oh, these people, they enjoy the weather here. I think so. The sun is there. People, you love it. It's really cold. You love the Bahrain weather, people. See, I'm alone here. Oh, they are sitting behind my car. Oh God, baby. You people love this weather. Come on, champos. I love this weather. Please like, share, subscribe. Boom.